Our world is a delicate tapestry of interconnected systems, a symphony of life carefully balanced over millennia. This balance has long been maintained by nature's intricate processes, a dance of give and take that sustains us all. Every element, from the smallest microorganism to the largest whale, plays a crucial role. Now, humanity's digital revolution is rapidly reshaping our planet's future, ushering in an era of unprecedented technological advancement. This transformation is bringing both immense promise and significant challenge, as we grapple with the implications of these powerful new tools. Among the most transformative technologies are cryptocurrency and blockchain, revolutionary concepts that are rapidly changing the financial landscape. This represents a fundamental shift in how we perceive value, trust, and exchange, decentralizing power and creating new opportunities. These systems offer unprecedented efficiency and transparency, streamlining processes and reducing friction in various industries. However, their environmental impact, particularly the energy consumption associated with blockchain operations, must be carefully scrutinized. The critical question is, can this new frontier be developed in harmony with our planet, minimizing its ecological footprint and promoting sustainability? Or will it inadvertently add to our existing environmental burdens, exacerbating pollution and contributing to climate change? The story of blockchain and sustainability is complex, a multifaceted narrative with both promising and concerning aspects. It's an evolving tale of adaptation and innovation, as developers and researchers seek to mitigate the environmental impact of these technologies. We are witnessing a technological ecosystem in its infancy, a period of rapid growth and experimentation. This ecosystem is actively learning and responding to environmental limits, striving to find more sustainable solutions. Our exploration will uncover the hidden costs of early blockchain implementations, particularly the high energy demands of proof-of-work mining. But we will also highlight the significant efforts being made to correct course, developing more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, and promoting renewable energy sources. The same fundamental principles powering digital currencies could, in fact, be harnessed to help protect our planet, creating a powerful synergy between technology and environmental stewardship. This includes applications ranging from tracking renewable energy credits to ensuring ethical sourcing of materials throughout complex supply chains. The potential for positive change is immense, offering a pathway towards a more sustainable and equitable future. Our journey begins with an honest and critical look at the challenges we face, acknowledging the environmental impact of current technologies. This will allow us to better appreciate the innovative solutions that are now emerging, paving the way for a greener and more sustainable future. Bitcoin, the first digital currency, emerged into the world, sparking a global phenomenon that few could have predicted. It captured the imagination of technologists, economists, and everyday individuals alike. It ushered in a new era of digital finance and a new form of money, promising decentralization and financial freedom. The established financial order began to take notice. Yet, behind the excitement and the promise of a revolutionary technology, a significant environmental problem grew, largely unseen by the enthusiastic adopters. Bitcoin's proof-of-work system, the very foundation of its security, demands vast computational power and electricity to maintain its decentralized ledger. Picture a global network of computers, spread across continents, all racing to solve complex cryptographic puzzles, competing for the chance to validate transactions and earn new Bitcoin. This intense competition is what secures the network, making it resistant to attacks, but it comes at a huge energy cost, a cost that was initially overlooked. At times, Bitcoin's energy use has rivaled that of entire countries, consuming more electricity than some nations, with much of that energy sourced from fossil fuels, releasing millions of tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. The environmental impact doesn't end there. The specialized mining rigs, designed for maximum computational power, have relatively short lifespans, becoming obsolete quickly as technology advances. This rapid obsolescence creates a massive and growing stream of toxic e-waste, filled with heavy metals and other hazardous materials. The pursuit of digital wealth, the promise of a decentralized future, has inadvertently created a hazardous waste problem for our planet, a problem that demands urgent attention. This early model of blockchain technology set a troubling precedent, a digital system designed to be virtual and intangible, with a surprisingly massive physical footprint and a significant environmental burden. The enormous energy drain and the ever-growing piles of e-waste cast a long and dark shadow over the entire cryptocurrency industry, raising serious questions about its long-term sustainability. For blockchain technology to truly fulfill its potential and be sustainable in the long run, a fundamental change was needed, a shift away from energy-intensive processes. The very mechanism for trust and security, the core of blockchain's innovation, had to be reimagined, redesigned to minimize its environmental impact. Could we keep the revolutionary benefits of blockchain technology, its decentralization, its security, and its potential to transform industries, without the devastating environmental cost that plagued its early iterations? The challenge was clear and urgent: innovate and evolve towards sustainable solutions, or risk the long-term health of the planet in the pursuit of digital progress. In nature, evolution favors efficiency, the survival of the fittest, where resources are optimized for maximum output. This principle, honed over millennia, guides the natural world towards solutions that minimize waste and maximize benefit. And now, so does blockchain. The initial iterations of blockchain technology, while groundbreaking, were not without their inefficiencies. To address proof-of-work's energy demands, which consumed vast amounts of electricity and raised concerns about environmental sustainability, proof-of-stake emerged, offering a more eco-conscious alternative. This innovative approach shifted the paradigm from brute computational force to economic investment, rewarding stakeholders for their commitment to the network. Validators lock up cryptocurrency as a stake, demonstrating their belief in the network's integrity and future. They are incentivized to act honestly and uphold the network's rules, or risk losing their staked assets, creating a powerful deterrent against malicious behavior. This system achieves robust security with a fraction of the energy required by proof-of-work. Networks moving to proof-of-stake can cut their energy use by over 99%, marking a significant step towards environmental responsibility. Ethereum's highly anticipated transition, widely known as the merge, effectively slashed its carbon footprint overnight, setting a new standard for sustainable blockchain operations. This pivotal moment proved that a sustainable blockchain is not just a theoretical possibility, but a tangible reality. The development and adoption of greener consensus mechanisms represent the industry's most important and impactful advancement. The core function of blockchain, its ability to provide secure and transparent transactions, can be entirely decoupled from massive energy consumption. Furthermore, other innovative systems and protocols are continuously emerging, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in sustainable blockchain technology. Each of these advancements aims to achieve robust security and decentralization with the absolute minimal environmental impact. The blockchain industry is rapidly maturing, increasingly recognizing that long-term viability and success depend on responsible environmental stewardship and sustainable business practices. A new generation of cryptocurrencies is putting sustainability at the core. These pioneers prove robust. Secure networks don't require energy-intensive processes. Cardano, for example, uses a unique proof-of-stake protocol designed for energy efficiency and global financial inclusion. Algorand's pure proof-of-stake is fast, scalable, and carbon-negative, offsetting its footprint through climate partnerships. These projects set a new standard. Digital technologies should aim to heal the planet, not just avoid harm. Others like Polkadot, Solana, and Tezos also prioritize energy efficiency. The future of finance and decentralized apps doesn't have to cost the climate. These innovators are building a new narrative for the industry: progress measured by environmental integrity. Sustainability and innovation can go hand in hand. Blockchain's potential goes far beyond digital money. As a transparent shared ledger, it can help solve pressing environmental challenges. One key use: managing carbon credits. Blockchain ensures each credit is unique and traceable, preventing double counting and fraud. It can also revolutionize renewable energy trading, letting small producers sell excess power directly and transparently. This empowers communities and incentivizes clean energy adoption. Blockchain brings transparency to global supply chains, letting consumers verify ethical and sustainable sourcing. Imagine scanning a product to see its entire journey from origin to shelf. This accountability holds corporations responsible and empowers informed choices. Blockchain can be a powerful tool for conservation and sustainability. ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing is reshaping finance, Investors now demand sustainability, ethics, and responsible governance from companies. This wave is reaching cryptocurrency, pushing the industry to clean up its act. Institutional investors with strict ESG mandates avoid energy-intensive projects, creating financial pressure for greener alternatives. Projects with strong ESG credentials, low energy use, transparent governance, positive social impact, attract more investment. ESG is creating a financial incentive for sustainability, rewarding innovators and penalizing laggards. The S and G matter too. Financial inclusion and fair governance are under scrutiny. Blockchain projects are evaluated for their ability to serve the unbanked and operate transparently. A truly sustainable project is environmentally sound, socially beneficial, and fairly governed. ESG is pushing the industry to become more responsible and mature. The drive for sustainability is sparking innovation at the intersection of blockchain and energy. Co-locating mining with renewables creates a symbiotic relationship. Excess clean energy powers mining, funding new projects. In remote areas, this can catalyze clean energy infrastructure for local communities. Some projects even capture waste methane to generate electricity for mining, turning pollutants into value. AI and blockchain together can optimize energy grids and monitor ecosystems, creating efficient, transparent smart grids. Blockchain's architecture is evolving. Concepts like proof of useful work direct energy towards scientific research. These innovations show a future where technology minimizes harm and actively benefits the planet. The path forward is one of creativity and collaboration. The journey to a sustainable digital future is complex, with both opportunity and challenge. Governments are crafting policies for renewable energy use and e-waste standards, signaling growing accountability. But responsibility is shared. Developers, investors, and users all play a role. By supporting energy-efficient projects, we send a clear message for a sustainable future. Our choices accelerate the shift away from polluting technologies. Continued innovation, collaboration, and education are essential. We must support those developing greener systems and foster partnerships across sectors. Educating ourselves and others demystifies blockchain and highlights sustainable choices. The story of blockchain and the environment reflects our ingenuity and responsibility. By choosing green solutions, we invest in a healthier planet for generations to come.